What's up, guys? It's Marissa at Krietz Customs. I am yelling at you right now, so let me just tone it down a little bit. I have a 2018 Ford F-150 XLT crew cab, and we're going to take a look at the specs of what Krietz Customs has added to this vehicle. Starting off with the wheel and tire package, the wheel is going to be a fuel vapor. It's a 22x12 with a -44 offset. This finish is matte black and it is a concave wheel. With the offset being a -44, it is going to push your wheel out and it's going to sit about 2 inches from the fenders. The tire is going to be a Nitto Ridge Grappler. The size is a 35, 12, 50, 22. In order to run this particular wheel and tire setup, we did have to put a 6-inch rough country suspension lift on it. If you guys like this truck, make sure you look at our lifted inventory at KreitzAuto.com. And if you want to build your truck like this, make sure you shoot us a message on Facebook at Krietz Customs. Go to our website at KreitzCustoms.com. And if you want more information on what size you can run and what size lift you need, message me at Marissa at Krietz Customs on Facebook.